So today I've begun the trip back to Texas on this long road trip, and that's the rig now. I picked that 1964 vintage trailer up in Portland, Oregon from a really cool guy named Bud Radke. Anyway, this video is about more road workouts, keeping yourself on the road. So this is the Weatherby rest stop in pretty far western Oregon, close to the Idaho border. And I've driven all the way from Texas, been out here and started driving back now, and now my body is saying I really don't like all this driving. So I'm gonna take another road calisthenics. Start with some warm-ups, and I'm going to feature using this really nice table. Down-ups. Just 10 like that, and I'm going to add in what we did last time. Go right into some twists, both warming up and getting the spine feeling good again. So if you notice today, my exercise set is a little more slow paced. Been on the road a lot. So my pain right now, my pain point is right in here, and it's starting to go down towards the front of the quadricep as well. So here's where we do some stuff to get the legs all happy again. This right here will really open up your shoulders, in the middle of your back. Add some crossover reaches. That's going to start engaging the backs of the legs. Just take it easy. Keep your body going. I still need a little more warm-up, so I'll throw in some easy type push-ups. Alright, now coming forward with one leg. Now stretch out that quadricep and do some hip circles. Oh boy. Stretch. Stretch. Hip circles. So right now both my feet are pointed in that direction. I'm going to take this back foot and turn it out. Pull my body away from that table from the bottom and pull my body towards the table with my arms. Really nice for this part of the back right here. Go back to just working that quadricep again. That's, for me, that's my pain point. All right, let's change legs. Circles. gonna be interesting on my body because my low back is starting to tell me you need to do this. Because I've been known to cause you trouble in the past. So we're gonna turn the foot out, pull away from the table with the lower part of the body, pull the body towards the table with the arms. This motion, if you kept pulling with your arms, you'd pull yourself up like that. It's kind of nice, actually. All right, got this nice table here. You can use it. Maybe this just looks cool, but it's about the same as a forward bend. So let's just do a forward bend. I always get inspired to do my wrists while I'm in that forward bend. It's just like a 1, 2, 3. 1. Your head and your hands start coming down here. Oh, your wrists, they just want some love. So you come back up, do those wrist circles like we did last time. Okay, we're going to go back to the extreme inward rotation with your arm. Inwardly rotate over the head. Stretch the side. Same thing the other side. Oh, I'm feeling better already. Let's bring the feet together and just do some toe-ups. Just a nice stretch back here from all that forward movement, driving, typing, all that stuff. Bring it back up, back, clasp the hands. Push your chest forward, look up a little bit. And go right into our shoulder circles. Make elbow points, grab the top of the shoulders, touch them together in front. Sweep them up and back. Reverse the direction. You see, we're taking it easy today. Been on the road a long time. Don't need to push ourselves. Let's give the neck and head a little love. Some neck circles. Just like last time, if you hear those snap, crackle, pop, go slower. And if you're having any luck, about 5 or 6, the snap, crackle, pop is gone. Okay. Sometimes you take it easy, but I'm still going to do my push-ups.
Go drive 200 more miles now.